is Trader Henry. As you know, my name is Trader Henry. So the New Year, Christmas, all those festive periods, they have all gone now. So we are, as of making this video today is, let me check, today is 7th, okay, 8th January 2026. So as you can see, we already have a running trade here on USDC check. So and it's not only on USDC chain, we also have a running trade. This one, I held this trade throughout the festive period. As a matter of fact, I entered this trade around this place. This was on 8th December 2025. So I entered this trade right before the festive period and I held all through and I'm still holding. So, and also, I think I also have an entry on GBP USD. Yeah. I also have an entry on GPSD. As you can see, it almost took me out. I did this entry around this place. This was around 2nd January 2020. So as you can see, it's shot all the way to the upside and it nearly took me out. So let's start from DSY as usual. As you can see, as you all know already, I don't do anything without first analyzing on DSY. So let's start from DSY. So let's start on the monthly charts. So let's delete some drawings so that our chart will be a little bit nice and clean. So on the monthly chart, what do you see? As you can see, this, first of all, let's acknowledge this trend line. Let's acknowledge this trend line. First of all, this is the third touch of this trend line on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame. See this first one. I have been pointing this out for couple of months now. If you watch my previous videos, I've been pointing out this trend line, and this same pattern that it is printing on top of the trend line. As I'm explaining now, you understand. As you can see, this is the first touch. Watch the pattern. It consolidated here for months before it's widely started giving some upper high highs and lows until it shows it upside. It came back again here. You see, consolidated on top of it for months again, all the way to the upside. Then on the third touch, it is currently consolidating on top of it, just like it did the previous touches. And now, I don't know, but I am overly bullish on the SY on the monthly chart, provided we still keep consolidating on top of this trend line. And also we have a major level here. Let's also acknowledge this major level here on the one time frame. As you can see, this major level has also been holding price for years now, because this level was invalidated by price on 1st April 2022. It broke above it, came back again, made a retest, and have been retesting that level for years now. It started to retest on that level on 1st February 2023, and since, even up till now, it is still retesting on top of this level. So this level is a very strong level. So this two level, I think, is going to push price up, but the market sometimes can be very tricky. So that's why you need to always manage risk. So monthly time frame, I am bullish. Then weekly time frame, we are somehow printing a, should I say, inverse head or shoulder or what? This consolidation here, we're currently printing a reversal pattern. You can call it inverse head and shoulder, you can call it triple bottom, four bottom, or what, but this massive consolidation, remember, this is on a weekly time frame. The market can just consolidate like this for weeks, for months. This is what it usually does before it reverses. Check all the reversal points. Like here, it came here. This is on the weekly chart. If I go to the monthly, you see that this is months of consolidation before it shot all to the upside. So this thing, all these movements here, I'm seeing it as it is forming a pattern for you to go to the upside. At the same time, you still have to manage risk. So this is what I saw and as you can see on this leg here, this is forming like a reversal pattern also. I don't know, but this is what I saw that made me to go long and made me to take those trades that I just showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So weekly time frame, I'm bullish. Then daily time frame, of course, is where we do entry. I started to see these small green or blue candles. I knew that, and this is a double bottom also. So now we are on top of a final level. So I mean, the level is what taking a trade on. So, but also managed risk. So let's analyze some of the pairs that we're having trades on. So let's start from USD So let's start from multi-time frame. This same level again. I told you guys in my last previous video, in my let me say 3 videos before now, that this level that we are in a consolidation. This level, there's a battle going on this level. This is the second time price is getting on this level. And I think this is the lowest. This is just a weak projection. I think this is the lowest price has ever gotten on this pair. Just imagine, since 1971, this is the lowest. So if this market should break below this level, it means it will go to its all-time lows. I don't know if you understand what I mean. The other pairs and other commodities and others are making all-time highs, and you want to be making all-time low. So you see, there's a struggle, there's a talk of war going on here. As you can see, has been going on for months. See how many months candle has just been consolidating, moving sideways for months. Now this is like 8 or 9 months of consolidation. So there's a tug of war, and in the favor of the bulls, because this is a very strong level. So monthly time frame, due to this consolidation and due to this level, I am bullish on USD. Remember, I always manage my risk. Then we come down to the weekly time frame. If we zoom in, you see that this is also the same thing DSY is also saying. It's also, you can also call this a double bottom, you can call it a triple bottom, but what I'm trying to say is that this is a reversal pattern. And I hope and pray, though hoping and praying is not good for trading, but what I'm saying is that I am holding to see if price is going to break above this black bar. Remember, this black bar has been a barrier for price ever since it's entered here. It entered here on 16 June 2025. So since 16 June 2025 to this January 2026, this black bar has been a barrier. It pushed price down here. Again, for weeks, tug of war, it pushed it back. So let's hope that if price gets back to that black bar, that it will have enough momentum to break above it. So that's weekly time frame. I'm still very bullish. Daily time frame is where I did my entries. Similarly, the price touched this black bar. I started to witness some slowdown. As you can see, the slowdown here. So if you were not experienced, you would have had a buy here. But I knew that this is not enough. Then it flushed out the weak buyers, and we started to see these small green blue candles. That was when I started to do my entries. I did my entries here, and I also added another because this trade is looking so juicy to the upside. So that's it on USD CHF. So let's do something on USD JPY. Let's analyze GBP/USD. So on GBP/USD, GBP/USD. But I took a trade on this GBP/USD because of DSY. GBP/USD seems like it's looking like it's not yet ready to even choose a side yet. Because looking at this monthly time frame, that's, I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying. Let me explain this thing properly now. If you watch, you see that it's looking like this is the first leg, then it came back again. I think this is just GBP/USD just printing its second leg. Other pairs has already printed the second leg and even formed the reversal pattern and has even started showing signs of sells. But GBP/USD is just still completing its second leg of the double top. So that's what I said, that because of what I saw on DSY, I wouldn't have been trading on GBP because this GBP/USD monthly time frame is still looking like it's not yet tradable. When DSY is ready, other pairs are ready. So that's it. So monthly time frame, and we are currently on the resistance level. This is the manual resistance level, and currently this consolidation here, I think this consolidation is enough. The total I'm seeing on DSY, there as you can see, and as you already know, anything can still happen. So monthly time frame, I am bearish because of this manual level here, and because of this consolidation. So weekly time frame, this is exactly what I'm still trying to explain on monthly time frame. As you can see, it looks like this is just GPS is just coming to print. It just came and it just freshly printing is the second leg Others have already done this. Others have already even started selling, but GPUSD is just still consolidation. Let me show what I mean. As you can see, USD CHF has already completed its leg and has already started showing signs of bullishness, but GPUSD is still lagging behind. GPUSD is still lagging behind, but like I said before, if DSY is ready, other pairs are ready. So that's it. So let's continue with our analysis on GPUSD. So on GPUSD with the time frame, I don't know. I'm expecting some maybe more consolidation around here. But we can start seeing some signs of bearishness. But overall, I'm bearish on the pair, and I will still keep holding my position until I get stopped out or until maybe finally it decides to start selling. So that's it on GPUSD. So regarding my account, I have currently a funded Hive account that I'm managing. So I bought this account October. I bought this account October last year. So I've been October ending of last year. I've been on losses because of this consolidation. Because of this consolidation, price has just been consolidating. Because of this consolidation, price has just been consolidating. But I don't know. Let's see what 2026 we have for us. Let's see. I'm hopeful and I'm positive that 2026 is going to be better. So let's smash it. And I will be doing more videos more often this year. So that's it. So this is the first trade of the year. So I'll come back later maybe a few weeks time or maybe even months, I don't know, to update you guys. So thank you and see you guys in the next segment.